Hey, this is Johnny, and here is the Domino Pinball EM wedge head pinball. So everything is working right here. All that's working. Okay, hold on a second while you gotta hold both buttons on here. And okay, so all I did is flip the switch down in here. Ball kicked out. Flipper's working there. Flipper's working here. So it does need a cap kit. Not a cap kit, I'm sorry. It needs a rubber kit for sure. So if you look at it, you know, the rubbers are missing here. This one's okay here. But so the ball does work right here. Okay, we'll just let that bounce a little bit. So then okay, let's see if we can get this thing to work with the spinner up top. Sorry, it's just hard to do. Okay. So it is working. Anyway. Alright, let's try this again. Show you the there. Okay, again, if you flip the switch, everything clears back over, and there it is right there. So needs good cleaning. It does work.